In an ideal world, you'll always purchase new devices with Windows 10 pre-installed. However, in practice, you're likely to have older devices that you'll look great to Windows 10. Let's look at how we can identify and troubleshoot any compatibility issues that you may encounter. For most upgrade failures, you will not be able to proceed until you rectify the problem. Some errors may indicate a clear message, such as insufficient memory to run Windows 10. But most errors simply provide an obscure error code without any clues as to what went wrong. You'll need to investigate and resolve the upgrade issues. If you're shown an error code, then you'll need to find the associated error description. Examples of some Windows 10 installation error codes are shown on the left-hand side of the table on screen, with their explanations shown on the right. These include lack of free space, the operation timed out, or incorrect user permissions. You can find more detailed information on dozens of error codes by using the web page on screen. The author has listed lots of error codes relating to starter issues. That description and resolutions to most of the common ones. These include links to external sites and Microsoft reference information. Let's now look at the upgrade process in more detail and review how you can troubleshoot it and review what you can do if you don't see any stop error codes. That grid process is managed by the Windows 10 setup program, and during the upgrade process, the Windows 10 setup program writes extensive log files. You can and should interrogate these log files to identify the causes of the upgrade failure. There are multiple log files created during the Windows 10 upgrade process, but the two most important ones that can be used to identify the causes of problems are the SetupACT log and the SetupError log. Both log files collect information on the various phases of the upgrade process, such as the down level, out-of-box experience, rollback log, initializing setup, and the setup action phases. Microsoft recommend using the SetupACT log to investigate problems with all down-level failures and rollback investigations, the active box experience phase rollbacks, setup launch failures, and post-upgrade issues. A list of the specific error codes that relate to the entries made in this set of ACT logs are shown in the table. You should also know that the SetupACT log will be stored in different locations, and these depend upon the upgrade stage at which the process fails. The table on screen lists the various log file locations and the corresponding failure stage. The other key log file is the SetupError log, and this contains a full, complete error listing of all issues encountered at all stages of the upgrade to Windows 10. Rather than try to read the raw data from the log files, you should first use a command line tool for Windows 10 called SetDiagram. This tool searches for known issues within log files and can be used to identify and diagnose failing Windows 10 upgrades. The tool can be downloaded from Microsoft for free. You should always download and run the most recent version of SetupDiag so you can access the latest functionality. On the web page, click Download SetDialog and then run the tool. The tool will automatically diagnose your computer using the current log files created by the Windows 10 upgrade process. Once the SetDiagram tool completes, it will create its own log file called the SetupDiagram Results log, which you can open and use to identify and resolve any upgrade problems. On screen is an example of a SetupDiagram Results log file. At the bottom, you'll see a section where we can read the full details of the problem diagnosed and see any associated error codes. There's even a URL included for the relevant Microsoft reference information to help resolve the issue.